Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm gonna cover Katalist AI, another tool I found on AppSumo. It's currently on sale minus 70%. Okay, for tier one, you'll be paying $69 once off. Okay, so what this tool does is actually is using AI to turn your scripts into a visual stories with customizable scenes, characters, and props. Okay, so there you go. Even after browsing through hundreds of stock photos and trying use lack of a Midjourney, and your idea might never see the light of the day. Okay, so basically, what you can do with this tool, you can create your own story, or you can ask AI to do it for you, and that story will be bring into the life by using the customizable scenes. Plus, characters should stay consistent. Okay, which is very important here because you can go ahead and create the different scenes, but those scenes will be actually the characters who will be similar to from scene to scene. Okay, very important. You know, everyone who used the AI in picture generators in the past, or some sort of story generators in the past, you know, the main issue might be for some of you guys that some of those softwares actually, yes, they can give you the stories. However, those characters might not be consistent from one scene to another. This one apparently is fixing that problem. All right. Yeah, it's fully customizable. You can add things, you can you can remove things. We're gonna jump into the software in a minute. Let's go quickly into the features. Okay, so AI storyboard generation, import via CSV, Word, or PowerPoint presentation, adjust framing angles, character pose, composition, props, and scenes, automatic prompt engineering, 32 character library. All right, so three tiers. Is that three? Yes, three tiers available for us. Okay, the cheapest one is for fixed $69. Remember, once of purchase. All right, you paying 69, you won't be paying anymore till the software is in existence, you know, so you don't have to pay monthly bill anymore. $69, that's it, and you got all features above included. 250 images per month and one custom character. Okay, for also 1 user. Okay, for $149 you got the only difference is then you're gonna 10 custom characters and 1,000 images. And also for 299, remember, once off, you're gonna get yourself 5 users, 3,000 images, 29 custom characters, and real-time collaboration project. Basically what it means that you can get the team of those peoples who actually develop the tool. They will be helping out with your projects. Okay, that's my understanding of this particular feature. All right, so let's go and jump into the website itself. It says Katalist AI. Okay, create visual stories with consistent characters and scenes using storyboard AI. As I mentioned before, okay, it's everything been explained. Like you can go ahead, put your own prompt, and you can create your own story. All right, apparently they already, some of those businesses have already been using this particular software. Okay, let's see how many people are using this one in on a monthly basis. They have a traffic just about 55,000, 56, just about 56,000 a month. Okay, that's a decent traffic. You know, it's a little bit drop from July where they had just about 120K of traffic. Okay, so they might put more marketing efforts back then, you know, but now they are just receiving still just about 56,000 people visit this website on a monthly basis. Okay, so here you go. Here's the website, you know, and it's that's all what you can do. Import your own or write your own script. Okay, Catalyst automatically generate visuals using storyboard AI, tweak to get it just right, and that's it. You can start posting it. Okay, so once you use your email address, it's pretty straightforward. Couple of clicks, you're already inside the studio. And you get a couple of options. Okay, you can upload your own script if you have one. Okay, or we can generate script. All right, so if let's say that we want to generate script using AI, it's called AI script assistant. Okay, if you don't have any idea of what can be done here, okay, let's use the one by default. Okay, medieval knight fights Draco Rex to save his village from ruin. Okay, let's go and generate script. So now the software is generating script for us. All right, and it shouldn't take long. Previously, it took only a few seconds, but there you go. Yeah, it's already there. So now here is the script. Okay, we got a nice script written by AI. And here you go. You can go ahead and do some adjustments to that script. Everything is fully customizable, so you can go edit, add some scenes, everything else. And let's say that we like this one. Okay, let's go and click next. Once we start playing next, okay, now the next step would be setting the characters, okay? So, okay, project name, okay, here is the name, the nice valor, okay, perfect. Now let's go and choose the ratio. Okay, you can do three different ratios. Okay, let's stick with the 16:9. Let's say that we want to use that project to be posted on YouTube, let's say, okay, and then art style, okay, a few art styles to be choosing from. All right, so we can do animations, video games, cartoons, every pixelized, everything else. I think at video game that's also available. Cinematic is absolutely fine, no worries at all. Go and create a project. Now the next step would be we just have to go and pay for this one. All right, so if you want to go and pay for this particular project, you have to go ahead and start using it for $19 a month. All right, and you get a 500 character image credits per month. We don't want to do that because let's say like I don't want to do that. You know, if I will be want to go ahead, let's say that you want to start. Let's say that you want to go ahead and you can start using this project, you know, just for try, all right? So you can go ahead and do this for 19 a month, okay? And then let's say that you like it, you can go ahead and start. You can purchase this AppSumo Tier 1, for example, okay? So, but without paying, you can go and create anything for free, okay? Which is kind of um. uh, They say that you can try for free, but I believe that you have to go and put your credit card details. Yeah, there you go. You have to put your credit card details, which is something which I don't want to do because I think they should offer us something for free. Like basically, I can go and create at least one story for free, and then if I decided that you want to use it, perfect. I can put and purchase this for try for $19, and if I keep liking it, I can go ahead and jump into the AppSumo deal, and we can start doing this, this one-time deal of $69. Right, guys. I think that's all what I want to cover in this video. Unfortunately, I couldn't finish this one for you with fully with the full video, okay, because it's simply reason I didn't want to put my credit card details here. That's why I decided not to finish this one, but still, look, it's there. If you want to go ahead and purchase it, you can go ahead and some testing. As I said, like this AppSumo is lifetime deal. Alternatively, you can jump into the website and you can start purchasing, for $19 a month starting off. Okay, as I said, it's very very pity that they cannot give you even a couple of credits to complete the test project. Okay, just for you, just for to showing up. If you want to start for free, you have to say put your credit card details, which I don't feel comfortable doing so. All right, so guys, that's all what I want to cover in this video. If you have any questions, just leave it down below, and if you can subscribe to my channel, it will be much appreciated. Thank you very much.